It is the second largest jackpot ever in this country, but it is the largest single ticket holder winning the jackpot. Here's the check that they will get: $758,700,000. Now, as you noted, they pulled the numbers here in Tallahassee, Florida last night. Let's take a look as the numbers came up. The numbers 6, 7, 16, 23, 26, and the Powerball number 4. Now we go back to that shot in Watertown, Massachusetts. This is where that winning ticket was sold. A lot of people wondering who it was. Maybe it was somebody in the neighborhood. The winner could take the payout over 29 years or get a $443 million payout with that one lump sum payment. Now, the reason you still want to check your tickets this morning, even if you're not from Watertown, Massachusetts, is that there were 6 $2 million winners and 34 $1 million winners. Look, we don't know whether it was one person, whether it was a family, maybe it was a group that bought that single ticket, but clearly with a check this big, it not only has changed their lives, but has changed their families' lives for generations. Guys?
That's a lot of cash.
Oh, man. Kerry, I had read on Twitter, someone said maybe it was Tom Brady who bought the ticket. Kerry, thank you.
People would love that.
Yes.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.